In this video, I'll be showing you how you can create a video collage. I think that's how you pronounce it with the Inshot app. So yeah, just open up the app and then you tap on video to create a new project. And you're going to see a bunch of other videos you have. So just tap blank for now. And then you tap here. Alright, so we have a blank canvas to work with. First thing I was suggest doing is you change the background to the color you want the borders to be when you create the video. So just swipe this until you find the background option, you tap it, and then for this I want to use white as the background. So yeah, it looks okay like this. Tap this, and I'm going to extend this one to as long as I want the video to be. Alright, so now we have a video with just a white background, nothing is happening. So now I'm going to start importing all the videos that I'll be using. So to import, I'll tap on this option here, PIP, which means picture in picture. So I'll tap it. And now I'm going to select all the videos that I need. So you guys do the same. So I just selected the first one. I'm going to adjust the size and put it up here maybe. Next, I'll add another one by tapping on this. Alright, so it doesn't look perfect, but yeah, essentially this is how you create it. And if I give it a play, you see that all the videos are playing at the same time. If you don't have a very powerful device, it's going to lag, so just keep that in mind. Well, that's it. That's how you do it. If you want to create like a TikTok, all you have to do is just tap canvas and then you select TikTok. You tap here, and you're going to have to go back into the videos and rearrange them by tapping on peep, and then you adjust them the way you want. So I'll put this one here. I think I'll just make it 2 this time, or 3. Put this one in the middle. And this is it. This is like the TikTok way of doing it. And now we have 3 videos playing simultaneously. So if you guys have questions, just leave them in the comments. And if you guys want to support the channel, then I would love a subscribe.